We're always up to a little bit of mischief here at the show. And we popped in here to the station house and look who we found. The one and only Paul. Well, good morning to you, Paul.
Good morning, Deric. How are you today?
This is Tommy's dad. Now, give us the scoop on Tommy. What was he like as a young fella in school?
A messer. A total and utter messer. I think I was called in to see the headmaster 3 times before Christmas.
Before Christmas. And if we swing around here, Charlie, what have we got here?
This is Tommy in wearing a Tommy helmet.
You're joking me.
Yeah, no, the artist had a prop whenever Tommy sat for the painting, and he put the Tommy helmet on.
And that was by Stephen Johnson. It's great, isn't it?
It is wonderful. When we bought it, I thought it was a great idea, but then what do you do with it?
We ask that same question every day.
House, and his wife most definitely doesn't want it.
All right, loads of mischief here in Monaghan. Back to studio in Dublin.
Good to see you, Dad. Good to see you, Dad.